Hi mates, I have money. I went to AWS my account, Manikanda Chintara. Just I log into that. Now I am going to service EC2. You can open like EC2 dashboard. First I am going to explain about AMI. AMI nothing but Amazon. It's a virtual machine. It's Amazon machine. You can see here in the underground of instance, reserved instance. Now we can create a n number of events in EC2 dashboards, and now we can create a more images. Now go to into AMI under images tab. Now you can see AMI names. We had here now to DynoQ server and Dyno web server. Now go to that EC2 dashboard and check whatever the instances are running it now in EC2 management console. Now we had here 3 servers. I stopped these servers because if I run these instances I get charged, so I stopped them. Sorry. You can see here 3 server: web server, Qtest server and test server 2012. Now we had a 3 server. Now we can create one more server to this. Just you can click web server 03, go action tab and click image and create image, or you can directly go to web server and you can come to image, create image, and you can write the image name like test web server, and go to image description and write my testing from my screen casting. Then it's a then give us default values, and you can see here volume type root, and then start to go to for create image. Now you can see here the image has been created, the image request received, it is in pending stages, so close it. So sometimes it take 2 to 3 minutes to create the image. Now go to AMI. It takes some more time, wait for a few minutes. Now you can see here test web server has been created. It is the status is available. Now just click the test web server and go to action, then start launch. Now it is going to launch. Now you can see here we have different type of instances: configure instance, add storage, tag instance, and configuration security groups, and these are the default values. Okay, now you can see T2 micro free tier eligible. According to our requirements we can choose anything, but for this lab now I'm choosing T2 micro. And then going for next configuration standards details. go for next stage, and now you can see here number of instances. You can see the network submit and auto sign. In the submit option, go for there are no preference, default submit is available. So now we can see, just I choose only one instance to create. So in IAM role option, go to web server role and select the web server role. In the web server role, it has a more flexibility and more roles. So now I am choosing the web server role. Come down, take all the default value, and next go to for add storage. And now you can see here that the total GB is 30 and the volume time is general purpose SSD. Go for tag next instance. The mainly tag instance it's of a use in Amazon EC2 resources. Just use the value name as test web server. Go for next, configure the security group. Now you can see the security group name and description. We can use the create a new security group, or we can select the existing security group. So now I am choosing this selecting existing selecting group. So now we had default RDP group and RDS launch and web RDP group, and we are consist of a four security IDs. Now I am selected web RDP group, and you can see here our DNS TCP and port range, and you can see the IP source IP address of RDP. And this is my RDP IP address, and review and launch it. And you can see, now you can see all the configurations, test groups and security groups. Just launch it, and in this we had the select key pair and select existing key pair or create a new pair. We can choose either existing pair, or we can create a new pair also from here. In the key pair, it's useful for generating an IP address from local computer. Now we can select creating a new pair or proceeding with our key pair. Mostly in this, now we are choosing the existing key pair, then start to creating a new pair, choosing the existing key pair and selecting key pair. In the selecting key pair, we had only a web server key pair. It's already default in that, and I acknowledge, I accept, then launch instance. Yeah, you can see here your instances are now launching. The following launching have been installed. So you can see this is our ID number, and go to service and go to EC2. Wait few minutes and go to instance. Yeah, now you can see a test web server is been created. Now the instance is in pending, so it takes like 2 to 4 minutes. Wait until it's turned into online. Now you can see our instance ID and instance type, which type we have been chosen. Now you can see here my public IP. My public IP is 52.35.29.197. Yeah, now you can see it's running. and click it, and you can see here the public DNS beside the instance ID. Now you can see the public IP. Just copy the public DNS address. Now you can see in the instance we have the 4 in web server 3, and go to for remote desktop, and you can see here west2 computer amazon.com. This is my IP address. Sorry, this is my address of EC2. Now you can see here my server 172.31.25.29. This is my server IP address. Select test web server and copy the EC2 535 of public DNS address and open new tab, paste it. Now we are using net 701, net 701 Lab-6. Yeah, now you can see it take a few minutes. Yeah, it's done. Now welcome to Dynastore. See, now you can see a server 172.31.25.49. This is my server IP address. Now we can go to net 702 Dynastore. Now where you can see here my this is IP address 172.31.25.29. Yeah, thank you. I have been completed.